My name is Clare Dillon. I'm here with two hats on. One is that I'm a representative of Curious, which is a community of academic open source program offices. And secondly, I'm a co-founder for an organisation called Open Ireland Network, which is about promoting open source at a national level in Ireland. So I think it's a wonderful theme. The Digital Resilience Forum has brought up some amazing themes that I think are so important for everyone involved in the innovation ecosystem. So whether you are working in a corporation, whether you are coming from academia, whether you're working in government, we are all working together to make sure that the software that we all depend upon is going to last, is going to be trustworthy, and is going to do the job it's intended to do. And resiliency plays such a huge part of that. And it's great to see the discussion move beyond the idea of build things and, move fast and break things to a kind of an area where we're talking about building the software that's going to last for perhaps generations to come. Well, for me, one of the major themes that came out of today's conference was not just about software resiliency in that it's secure or that there's tests have been done, but there was a lot of discussion around the systems that operate around software ecosystems to make sure that the people and processes are in place, that we are adhering to the right regulations in the right areas. So there's so much contextual work to be done around software to make sure that it's resilient in the context where it's being deployed. Those conversations for me were some of the most interesting ones today. Our session was about why collaboration and transparency is important for innovation ecosystems. And for me, the nature of open source software enables collaboration for innovation. And by the way, I don't think any one person or organization or perhaps even nation can build the technology they need by themselves. There are a whole load of interdependencies. So for me, having software being transparent for trust and building the collaboration networks to enable great collaboration in software are essential for innovation. Well, for me, the big lesson was actually being here because it was a real lesson in, I suppose, walking the walk, which is around the fact that great resilient software and digital resilient infrastructure is not just about the technology. It's about the people who come together to figure out how to make that more resilient in the broader context that we all live in. And today's event itself was a perfect example of that. I have met so many people who have pointed me to so many new areas to investigate and resources that can help us all towards a more digital resilient future.